See whether if you have Lexus IS 250 and you're having a problem with the sound. This car came because there is a no sound. So we will fix it now. So there is an amplifier under this seat, and in this amplifier there is one cable. The color is white color cable. It's optical cable, I think so. That cable become a damage. So you can open this radio and amplifier, and you can bring this which cable is damaged. Just replace the cable only. Then it will work.